Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Kenny, aka Meek the Ghost, and today we'll be making teriyaki chicken. And you're gonna be doing it on the in a pan on the stove. There are other ways you could make it. You could bake it in the oven, or my personal favorite is to just use a like a crock pot, and that way you could just put your chicken in, throw it in the thing with the mix, and let it go for 4 hours, and it's nice and easy to pull apart. So tasty. Anyways, thank you for joining me. So for our teriyaki chicken, we have some chicken thighs. We're gonna cut this up into smaller pieces later. I'm also gonna remove some of the fat, not all, because fat equals flavor. Yeah, soy sauce. I have 3 vegetables in here. It's actually I minced up some garlic and some ginger, and also I chopped up some green onion. That's going to go into our teriyaki blend. We have a vinegar here, white rice wine vinegar. If you don't have it, you can always substitute it with apple cider vinegar. And I have honey. I have about half a cup of honey here. We're going to pour in about a cup of soy sauce. And just, I'd say probably about maybe a quarter cup of the vinegar. But yep, we'll get right back to it in just a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna start by slicing this up and removing some of the fat. Just wanna cut them up into not too small pieces. But honestly, the smaller you cut them, and the more you beat them up, the faster they marinate. I'm just gonna, since we're gonna be turning this into multiple things, which includes musubi, I'm gonna be making them into smaller strips, which after I'm done cooking them, here we go, be a little bit easier to handle and maintain. Alright, so we chopped up our chicken. We got them to where we have not too much fat, but still just a little bit. So I'm going to start combining the ingredients into the chicken, and I'm going to start folding them in. Let's start with the soy sauce. Alright. Let's put in our vegetable mix of garlic, ginger, and green onion. Okay. Our rice wine vinegar. Oh, sorry. And our honey. So I'm just gonna toss our chicken and fold it in. So that way everything gets that nice sweet taste, along with the vinegar to make the chicken nice and soft. The soy sauce, the flavoring. Okay, so we're just gonna get some saran wrap, and I'm gonna set this off for tomorrow. Alright, so we're going to start cooking the teriyaki chicken now. So what I'm going to use is a mixture of both sesame oil and vegetable oil, because the sesame oil can be a little too strong. So we're going to cut it. We're just going to put a good amount, but not too much. And then we're going to use a bit more of the vegetable oil than that one. Coat the bottom. I have it still in the medium heat, the medium high, and I gotta get this warm up just a bit. Once it looks a bit more watery, I mean, it already looks kind of good, but maybe in a couple of seconds we just start pouring in. So we got our chicken going right now. Got all the teriyaki chicken in there. So we're gonna let that go for a while, and we'll get back to it. So now we got our chicken cooked. We did it about a little bit longer on top of this one. We started on 10 minutes on one side, and we did 11. All right. So today we have Monobun once again joining us.
Hello. Hi.
For our chicken teriyaki meal.
There we go. Now let me just smell it first. Okay, now this is rice. Let me try it with this.
Is the chicken chewy?
Oh yeah.
Or is it moist?
Moist.
Is it chewy bad?
No, it's chewy good. Chewy good.
Is it tender?
Yes, I'm gonna try another one. Try another one. It's really good.
You like how it is?
Yeah. Marinated perfectly the way it is, and can give you my rating already.
Oh, but I was gonna tell you, it's like, you know, there's a little bit difference of how I cooked this chicken teriyaki than I did the others.
How so?
The others, I would use brown sugar.
Okay.
This is honey.
Ooh, maybe that's what it is.
I was hoping,
tasting on the marination and all that, yeah.
Yeah, because I was hoping that the honey would help tenderize it as well, so, since it was sitting in overnight.
Okay.
That's honestly probably why the thickener didn't work out so well with it.
Oh, okay. Makes sense, yeah.
I tried to use that cornstarch and water but it looked like brown gravy.
Oh, no.
Alrighty. So, do you like it better with the rice or without?
I could go either way. Doesn't matter. It's getting a good rating as it is.
It is?
Yes. It's getting a 5 out of 5.
Nice. But what way would you rather have it?
Like I said, I could have it both ways. Because, like I said, you still need rice for me. I always like rice with almost everything. But you could still eat this, like, on the side if you wanted to, but with something else.
Yeah, sorry I didn't make the mac salad. Alright. So, after you had your meal and a little bit more of your thing, and you said that's a 5 out of 5?
5 out of 5. You can eat it with or without the rice. It's delicious. It's mostly because of the sauce, and then like the chicken. Like I said, rice will be rice. You know what I mean?
Well, that's actually homai sushi rice.
Yes, very good. But regardless, this thing can go with anything.
Alrighty. Well, I hope you enjoy your meal.
I did. Thank you.
And thank you for joining us. Everyone, you guys have a great day.
Bye. See you next time.